what makes this kitchen stand out? In the middle, we have added an island which serves as a worktop and as a dining table. In the island, we've of course added storage and lots of sockets and USB and USB-C sockets. And we have a nice breakfast table. And to hide the leg, we did it in glossy black glass to make it appear less. On this side we have a shaft which we decided to cover in black back painted glass. Then we have this beautiful porcelain top with a backsplash, undermount sink, fully integrated appliances with built-in lights. Next I'll show you the drawer. So this looks like 2 drawers, but basically it's 3 drawers. This is a cover for another hidden drawer for cutlery. So you have one inner drawer and then the cover drawer for it, and the bottom drawer is a deep one for bigger items. On the opposite side we have the same black column. The size is huge, it's oversized, it's 85 centi. We only need 60 centi for the kitchen, which means this storage here would be too deep. And it would end up with having a dead corner here. So we decided to add a secret storage here, which you can use for spices.